Cruiser 2023-2024 complete exterior upgrade to full option look. This is a full front bumper with upper and lower part, rear bumper upper and lower part, side skirts, rear bumper trim, mud flaps, fender liners. This is inner shields, radiator grille, LEDs, reflectors. Everything is included here. See, all reflectors are here. Side skirts already equipped with LEDs as well. It's already with light. Door moldings included, support radiator grille, frame also here. Splash guard, fender liner, fender extensions, mud flaps rear, mud flap front. Everything in here, in this set. This is a front bumper piece. Plate holder place is here. Tow hook cover, closed type, and also with tow hook cover option variation. So you can select. We supply two together. It's already coming two of them together. Washer lamp covers you can transfer from the original bumper. If you want to equip it, we can supply you with the washer lamp covers as well. Thank you for watching. Small items, clips, frame around the tow hook cover, support frame, support for the parking sensors. Everything is here. And brackets for the side skirts. Side skirts already equipped with the reinforcement. Complete set.